Hello students, hope you all are well. As I promised you, I am back with the video of how to draw the structure of nephron in a simple, easy way. Okay students, so I want everybody to take a pencil, eraser and a blank paper, unruled paper and start drawing the structure along with me. Hope you will find this particular method of drawing the structure of nephron easy. So let us start with the drawing. So now let us start drawing the structure of nephron, for which first you are supposed to draw a cup shaped structure. Make C shape, make double lining over here. From the bottom you are going to leave a little, from where you are going to draw a short W and then along this way another W which is going to come out here. For this you are supposed to draw a double lining, this, just keep on drawing the double lining for the whole W. See that the double lining, the width of the tube what you are drawing should remain same throughout, near about. Now this is going to open out in a branched tube-like structure. You can draw just like a tree. Did you get this, students? Okay. Now come back over here. You can draw a V shape, V over here, capital V. Join it here. Okay. Now we here just show the network. This is what glomerulus. Now from here you are again going to draw U. Just make a turn this way and halfway over here, bring it up here. For this U, you are not going to make the double lining, but the double lining you are just going to close it halfway this, and from here this is the U shape over here, so this is where you are going to close it. Now the care what you should take is between these two U, these two, the long loop has to come between these two. Now within these two, draw number of rectangles what you can over here, taking care that the width of the tube what you are drawing should remain near about same. So this is another rectangle, over here another one. So keep on drawing the rectangles, taking care of the width of the tube. Clear, students? So here I have drawn it, and now still I am drawing another rectangle. Whatever number of rectangles, students, you can draw, that many rectangles you can keep on drawing. Finally in the circle form it will come. Okay. Now this U shape, the rectangles U what you have drawn, we can just darken it out. Now just make this lining dark, this over here, this over here, this and this part. We have to take care, students, the width of this black color tube has to remain equal throughout. Now let us just label the parts. This is your renal artery that brings blood to the kidney, to this particular network called glomerulus. The cup-shaped structure is Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule. This part is the Malpighian tubule. Malpighian tubule. Now this is your Henle's loop. Now and this part over here, this is your collecting tubule. Yes, now the blood that is coming over here is getting filtered. It goes to the Bowman's capsule. The filter passes through the Malpighian tubule, and whatever filtrate is there will be collected in the collecting tubule, which in turn is going to open out in the ureter. Now over here, after filtration, maybe certain useful material might have been left out in the blood. Then at all these points, the reabsorption of the of the waste that has been left out in the blood will be reabsorbed, and along with the filtrate, many times the useful material, that is amino acid, useful salt, water, which are useful to the body, has been filtered. So those useful material has to go back to the bloodstream. So at all this point, again reabsorption of the useful material from the filtrate will be done, which enters the bloodstream. So finally the blood comes out from over here, that is your renal vein, which will be free from all the waste. Clear, students? So this is all about the structure of nephron. Hope you have found the drawing of the structure easy. Okay, students? Goodbye till we meet with the next video.